Hi guys, welcome to Jamaican Girl TV. Yeah, this is the premiere of Jamaican Girl TV. This is the first time I'm going live. Welcome. For those who haven't, for those who subscribe to my channel and those who haven't yet, please smash the like button. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, thanks to all my subscribers, thanks to everyone, and who haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, and thank you very much. And don't forget to smash the like button. Big up to Keno and his team from Trenchtown, the Dream Team. The guy that is dancing in one of my videos, that video is going way up. The guys from Trenchtown, Keno, Dream Team, big up. And also big up to my brother Junior from Trenchtown, the Juice guy. Your boy, big up yourself, Ryan. Everything is nice. Okay. I must say to Easton, the DJ East, big up, and to George, Jason, thank you for everything. Romaine, thank you. Kasai, everyone, big up yourself and thank you very much. And you can, if you need any food or anything, you can check out Kasai Kitchen. What's the number? At 267-780-06949. That's Kasai Kitchen. So big up Easy Ball for Life. You need to check out Easy Ball for Life channel and give a shout out to Rude Boy. That's my brother. His channel is Rude Boy. So shout out to him. You can check out his channel also. You got some good content and some great ones. You'll want to see them. So big up D Mawango, big up yourself, everything nice. Love how you're showing off Jamaica. And sorry I didn't get to see you last time, but I hope to see you next time around. And big up for all the people who are showing off Jamaica like that. Jamaica is one of the greatest islands in the Caribbean. And all the nice things go down there. You can take a trip, do anything you want. Go zip lining, anything. It's great. Mystic Mountain is great. If you don't know where to go to Mystic Mountain. Always great to go to Mystic Mountain. So I've been to Mystic Mountain a couple of times and I'm going back because it's nice and it's great. Also, you can check out Duns River Fall, all the nice places that Jamaica has to offer. And I'm a born Jamaican. I'm from Kingston, Jamaica. We would say we're born under the clock. That's down public. The hospital is Kingston Public Hospital. So, you know, that's where I was born. And, you know, we live in Trenchtown for a long time. Polygon Massive, big up yourself. Diane, Nisha, Pep, and all of you. Maureen and Migo, big up yourself. And Christopher, big up. Pep, your son that played the football, big up to him. Polygon Massive, Karen, you're large, alright? I was there for Christmas. I came back up in the New Year's. So big up to you all. Make sure you like my video, you comment, and you subscribe. Smash that like button. And remember, always remember to subscribe. Okay, thank you and have a great night.